All right, doing a little end of day analysis recap for the trading session on Friday. Trading news. Um, Here it is. Um, so initially I put in a sell, and it closed that in the negative instantly, and then the next I ended up getting on here on a buy, and there was an opportunity around here where it was like plus. I was up 4K, so it would have been, just above a K profit for the session. And yeah, ended up just like watching it collapse and coming to the negative. And then in the moment was like, oh, well, like it's all learning. So might as well just like get in and watch. And just observed progressively how it would go in the opposite direction of whatever I'd put in, and over the course of a couple of minutes, yeah, it's not that difficult to lose 10K. So it was good observing, good watching that, and being not entirely detached from it, but just knowing that it's good to just see this, witness this, get it out of my system, and just realize that it's about making. There's a few things to take from it. Um, if you're in decent profit, take it definitely. Especially if it equates to like more than your average earnings of a week. It's like just take that. Like you take the obvious wins, and um, yeah, and also yeah, just play the one trade. If you make it, you make it. If you don't, you don't. So um, definitely throwing my account into like overall we're still up like 9K, but for the month or for the last couple of months we are in a negative situation. So here we are on the cash flow record. We are down 8K. So my goal for July is to break even. I would be stoked to get that back up, and I welcome that challenge. Like um, this is the time to be making these sort of errors in a way, or just lessons. And yeah, it's just a challenge now for me to just flip that, and we'll turn that into a positive. Emotionally, this hasn't brought me down at all because I was in it. I was conscious. I was still consciously knew what I was doing, and I was just like, oh, what a surprise! It's going against me, and yeah. So this definitely knowing that this particular trading method is about getting in on this candle or this candle. So if you're not in the trade in that first, these are 5 minute candles. If you're not in the trade in the first 5 minute or the start of the second 5 minute candle, it's not worth being in. There's in this particular one, there was just so much indecision. Like it was moving a lot, it was bouncing, and yeah, it's about catching the wave at the beginning. It's not about trying to catch it after it's lost momentum or lost its push. Here we are for the overall. Um, yeah, it's time to just swing that back around. But it's not about trying to get it back up here like instantly. It's I'm gonna be looking at the climb back up, something similar to this, just steady, just working our way up, and yeah, excited to look at the market this week, and excited to get some positive wins in there. And yeah, but yeah, all good. Let's get amongst it.